Thank you again for everything, man.
Anytime,
We appreciate it.
Hell
yeah.
It was an awesome meeting. It was great just to sit and chill with you guys.
Yeah.
Not have to worry about all the other stuff, you know?
Yeah,
So
the gang and, you know, having to keep people happy.
Exactly.
So that's why you're on the Pro Jason, man. We're all in the know, brother.
You guys are awesome.
Thank you, man.
Care,
Be safe. There he goes. The man who met the legend. Gotta get the CRV in there. He didn't want it in the video. But epic turnout. I want to give a shout out to everybody that came out. From Medford, Mass, we're signing off.